All right, Wofford. I got some questions for you. So, just looking at your old calendar, and looking at day one. I just don't know if this homework packet is the same as the unit guide. That's the first question here. If you could answer that, and then I have when I go to this one, I believe. Yes. All right. I think I know where this is, but I'm not sure. It says find the historiography of causes of World War II activity, Google Doc for your class. Use the class website. As a group, open the document and claim one of the boxes. Um, and so I just want to know where on the calendar, where am I looking for that activity? I don't know if there's another site there, historiography of causes, group activity. Um, I don't know where that is. I'm thinking that it might be here. 2A class, click here to complete the activity. 4A class, so on and so forth. I'm thinking that's what you're talking about. I just want to get confirmation on that. The other thing here is when you're talking about open the document and claim one of the boxes. So when you're claiming one of the boxes, does that mean all right, sorry about this. All right, so when you're claiming one of the boxes, is this what you're talking about? And if so, is this one person doing one box, or is this one group doing one box? So like group one, everybody in group one is doing patterns of war, or are you saying, all right, so group one, you guys decide who is doing what within these readings and these videos? I hope that makes sense. The second thing here is just I know that I found the best war ever links for the Homefront stuff. I just didn't know if you had a Google file for some of these other chapters, and really these readings right there. Just want to know where I can find those. I think those are all my questions here, and I believe that is it. Everything else seems pretty straightforward and whatnot. So thanks a lot, man. Just send me an email, or if you can call me this afternoon or this evening, and we can get it taken care of. I thought this might just be easy as well. All right, bye.